So good morning students. In today's class we are going to discuss about these are the topics we are going to discuss about in unit 1 as a part 3. So the topics are network graph, bus incident matrix, primitive parameters, bus admittance matrix from primitive parameters, representation of off-nominal transformer, formation of bus admittance matrix of large power system. So coming to what is primitive network. So network components are represented either by their impedance parameters or using admittance parameters. Okay, so here the given figure represents the impedance form. The variables are current and voltage. Every power system element can be described by a primitive network. A primitive network is a set of unconnected elements. Next, coming to the power system, it consists of number of elements and each element is incident between two nodes. These elements may be purely passive like Z or Y or active V or I, voltage or current, impedance or admittance, passive means. Or sometimes it is combination of both active and passive. So here each element is represented by decoupled portion network which is known as primitive network. So the network can be either in impedance or in admittance form. So this is the actually this one is a primitive impedance matrix. Here voltage source is represented as E of IK and impedance is Z of IK. Here it is connected between ith bus and kth bus. Here the power flow that is arrow mark is from ith bus to the kth bus. Here voltage across bus is V of I and voltage across kth bus is V of K. Next coming to so this one is what is V of I and V of K, that is ith and kth node voltage respectively, and V of Ik means voltage across the element I to K and E of Ik means active source of the element I to K and Z of Ik means self impedance of the element of Ik, I of Ik means current flowing through the element I of Ik. The following performance equations can be observed and this is the generalized equations. V of I minus V of K plus the source value should gives the I into Z, that is I of Ik into Z of Ik. This is the generalized equation. So this is the V plus E which is the condensed form equations. V plus E is equal to Z into I. This one is primitive admittance matrix. Okay, so um, here what is this is actually Y of Ik means here the admittance value is represented. This is the arrow mark, current arrow mark which is coming from K bus to the ith bus. The voltage across I bus is V of I and voltage across K bus is V of K and V of Ik means V of I minus V of K. This is the generalized form equations and this one is V of I Vk means I and kth node voltage respectively. V of Ik means V of I to V of K voltage across the element I to K. This J of Ik means active source current of the element Ik. Y of Ik means self admittance of the element Ik and I of Ik means current flowing through the element. So voltage across the element is V of Ik and the total current is I of Ik plus J of Ik current flowing through the element. So however this I of Ik plus J of Ik means Y of Ik into V of Ik, the generalized form. Here the diagonal elements are represented on diagonal, off diagonal represents or no mutual coupling. So here the graph theory admittance matrix is formed. Here any network can be represented by interconnections of element which is called as graph. So each segment of a graph is called as element. So voltage source means it has to be short circuit and current source means it has to be open circuit. So this is the admittance matrix which is followed by singular transformation method. So here next one is each element of power system should be represented by line segment. The shape of the graph may be different but sometimes the structure remains the same. So the rank of the graph consisting n minus is n minus 1 rank is n minus 1, that is number of nodes minus 1. So a tree, what is a tree? Tree is a subgraph of the network which will have all the nodes in the graph. So next coming to equations of singular transformation matrix, here y bus is equal to A transpose y into A. This is the graph of the matrix and this is the general diagram, power system diagram given. This here all the elements are represented in terms of graph. This one is graph. This is the graphical representations of the given circuit. This is oriented graph. Oriented graph means arrow mark should be given here. Okay, so next one is tree. So tree means